The AI chip ecosystem. Everything you need to know.
In 2025, the world sold over 1 trillion semiconductors. That's 1 trillion chips powering every device on Earth.
Yet AI chips make up just 0.2% of all chips manufactured. But here's the paradox. They generate 50% of all semiconductor revenue. Each AI chip is worth thousands of times more than a regular one.
GPUs. Originally built for rendering game graphics, they turned out to be perfect for AI. NVIDIA dominates this market with over 80% share.
Google's TPU is a custom chip designed specifically for AI. Built for matrix math, it powers Search, YouTube, and Gemini.
ASICs are custom chips built for one job only. NPUs bring AI to your phone and laptop. In 2026, all major AI chips are manufactured on TSMC's 3nm process.
AMD is NVIDIA's biggest challenger. The MI300X uses chiplet architecture to deliver serious AI performance at a lower price. In 2025, AMD's data center revenue surged past $10 billion. The gap is closing.
The chiplet revolution. Instead of one massive chip, designers now tile smaller chiplets together like Lego blocks. AMD, Intel, and TSMC are all in. More flexibility, better yields, lower cost.
GPU power has exploded. From the Y100 in 2017 to the A100 to the H100, the chip that trained ChatGPT. In just 5 years, transistor counts quadrupled.
Then came Blackwell, and now Rubin. 336 billion transistors, 50 petaflops of computing power. In 9 years, GPU capacity grew 16-fold.
Inside every GPU, 2 types of cores work together. CUDA cores handle parallel math, while tensor cores accelerate matrix operations, the heart of deep learning. The H100 packs 16,000 CUDA cores and 512 tensor cores.
Making a chip starts with design. Over a year, thousands of engineers craft the architecture. 2 companies, Synopsys and Cadence, control all the tools.
Next, fabrication. Hundreds of precise steps to etch nanoscale patterns onto silicon wafers, from raw wafer to finished die.
Finally, packaging. The chip is assembled, tested, and shipped. In 2025, packaging, not lithography, is the real bottleneck.
ASML's EUV machine, the most complex device ever built. $250 million each, 180 tons, 100,000 parts, all to print patterns at 13.5nm wavelength, 100% market share, 0 competitors.
The EUV light source is pure engineering marvel. A CO2 laser fires at tiny tin droplets falling at 50,000 per second. Each hit creates plasma-emitting extreme ultraviolet light. No other method can produce wavelengths this short.
The supply chain spans the globe. Netherlands for ASML, Germany for Zeiss Optics, China for rare earth materials. Every link is a potential point of failure.
HBM memory stacks DRAM chips vertically, connected by thousands of tiny silicon vias. The latest HBM4 delivers 2.8 terabytes per second of bandwidths.
SK Hynix dominates with 62% of the HBM market. Micron and Samsung fight for the rest. HBM is the new bottleneck. Demand far exceeds supply.
HBM has evolved rapidly. HBM1 launched in 2014 with 1.2 gigabytes per second. HBM2 doubled that. HBM3 reached 819 gigabytes per second. Now HBM4 pushes past 2 terabytes. Each generation doubles bandwidth in roughly 2 years.
Advanced packaging has become the critical constraint. TSMC's CoWoS, 3D bonding, and Intel's MEB. Capacity is limited, and lead times stretch to 16 weeks.
An AI data center draws 1 to 2 gigawatts of power and costs up to $100 billion to build. Inside, over 100,000 GPUs work in parallel. Nuclear reactors are coming online to power them.
From power delivery to liquid cooling, to compute racks, to networking, to storage. Each layer is a world of engineering.
Cooling is critical. A single GPU rack consumes 70 kilowatts, far beyond air cooling limits. Liquid cooling systems pump chilled fluid through cold plates directly on the chips, cutting temperatures by 30% and enabling peak performance.
TSMC, the invisible king. Over 90% of all sub-3 nanometer chips are made by this one company. Annual revenue, approximately $122 billion. Growth rate, over 31% year-on-year.
TSMC's roadmap. N3 in production today, N2 arriving in 2025, and a 16 by 2027. Apple is the #1 customer, followed by NVIDIA.
The chip war. The US controls chip design and export restrictions. China is pushing back with domestic 7-nanometer chips and massive investment. Every nation is racing for semiconductor sovereignty.
China's SMIC achieved 7 nanometer without EUV. Using older DUV machines with multi-patterning, they built Huawei's AI chip. But yields are around 50%, costs are high, and it's still far behind TSMC's 3 nanometer.
The U.S. responded with the CHIPS Act, investing $52 billion to boost domestic manufacturing. Export controls block China from buying advanced chips and equipment. But the technology keeps evolving, and the gap keeps shifting.
CUDA is NVIDIA's real moat. 5 million developers. 20 years of ecosystem. Competitors like AMD's ROCm and Google's XLA are still far behind. Hardware innovates, but software decides the winner.
Training a frontier model requires thousands of GPUs running for weeks at a cost of hundreds of millions of dollars.
But the industry is shifting to inference, running AI in real time at millisecond latency. By 2029, inference will account for 65% of all AI compute.
To make inference efficient, engineers use quantization, shrinking models from 16-bit to 8-bit or even 4-bit precision. This cuts memory usage in half with minimal accuracy loss, letting smaller chips run large models.
Edge AI is the next frontier. NPUs in phones and laptops run LLMs locally. Apple, Qualcomm, and Mediatek are racing. Privacy, speed, and no cloud costs. AI goes offline.
Follow the money. TSMC makes the chips. NVIDIA captures 75% gross margins. SK Hynix sells memory at premium prices. The AI supply chain prints money.
Beyond silicon, Cerebra's built a wafer-scale engine, one chip the size of an entire wafer. Light matter uses photons instead of electrons. Optical computing could cut energy by 100x.
Neuromorphic chips take a different approach, mimicking the brain's neural structure. Intel's Loihi 2 processes spikes asynchronously, using 1,000 times less power than traditional chips for certain AI tasks.
AI chips are the foundation of the next era. Over $500 billion market. TSMC at 90%. CUDA with 5 million developers. Understanding semiconductors means understanding the future.